Right, here we are again. This is me mate Ben's Tzr 250 tank. Anyway, it's work in progress. Well, anyway, these are a couple of repair plates I've started to put on. You'll have to forgive the welding. I'm still learning to use the old TIG, and some of these places, of course, that's like double thickness there, and then you got that lap joint on the top, so you got quite a bit of metal to melt to get it all to get the filler rods going nice. And then you got to turn the power down when you get round here. Anyway, I blew a hole in there. That was a bit of a performance to fill that up, and I blew a hole in there, same again. Well, anyway, there's going to be leaks, so I just got to sort it out. We got a pressure testing thing, so I'll be able to block that off. There's a metal plate with a little adapter on in the gauge, and a valve. Put a bung in the other, put a rubber bung in there. Put a strap round it. Once it's all welded up, right, there's the other plate I've been tacking on, and yeah, it's stop-start at the minute, I'm afraid. The good thing about it is I can actually do it in my shed down here, and because there's no sparks, because the old shed, he's got a fair old bit of crap in him that is just waiting for a spark to set the whole lot. Anyway, these side pieces, as you can see, all rotted there, look. Oh dear. Anyway, I made up these plates. To go like that. Cut the old out. I'll cut round there, and then trim the plates up to go in. Anyway, you can see the general idea. Anyway, this is a tank that was in citric acid, and as you can see, there's not really much rust on it. The inside don't look too bad either. This side's the worst because it's the side stand side, and you can imagine all the water goes to this side here. Well, anyway, you get the sort of idea. Once that's cut off and it's all trimmed up nice, get that in there, get the other piece on the other side. Anyway, like I said, we'll get the underneath done first. Yeah, the old TIG, he's taking a bit of getting used to, but I'll persevere with it. This flap, he cut out himself. We've cut it open before. Look, I'll make that up. What I'll do, I'll run the old TIG art round it and really melt it flat. My plan is to tack some steel on the inside and then push the flap down to it, because that there, look, that's a bit too big to fill up. So I'll tack some steel all the way around on the inside and then weld it round to shut it. But yeah, we're going to see a lot more of this now. Tank's rotted out. These repairs are just lead fill. I'll probably end up lead filling round the repairs. Skim it over with a bit of Pongo. And like I said, we get it tested once it's all welded up. I'll put him in I got a big blue barrel that I use for soaking. I got half of it left, and we get some air in it, and we'll look out for the champagne bubbles, and when they're coming out I'll just mark it up and re-weld up. Anyway, TIG welding, yeah, on YouTube it looks oh so easy, but I know different. Anyway, it'll all clean up with the old grinder.